out from the title, today I will be reviewing the OLENS and BTS collaboration contact lenses. So if you haven't heard of OLENS, they are the #1 cosmetic contact lens brand in South Korea, and they have worked with countless of K-pop idols including Blackpink, Earth Generation, Monster X, VIX, EXID, AOA, Produce 48, and now BTS. So the collection with BTS launched on the 7th of August, featuring 8 new monthly disposable lenses, and they are further classified into 2 collections, DNA Destiny and Idol Myself. So each box will feature 1 member, which you will not be able to choose during purchase, and also in every box there will be a randomized photo card that you can collect. So diving deeper into the 2 collections, DNA Destiny is available in light blue, blue, pink, and brown, while Idol Myself is available in olive green, hazel, grey, and blue. The highlight of both collections is that the colors used are all pastel shades, which will give you a softer and brighter look. For those of you who prefer natural looking contact lenses that doesn't enlarge the look of your eyes, you may be delighted to know that these lenses have a graphic diameter of 13.2 mm, which falls under the natural range as compared to eye enlarging contact lenses that can go up to 13.4 mm. So it is finally time for me to try out the lenses. For reference, here is a shot of my naked eye. So beginning with DNA Destiny, this collection has a softer look since it doesn't have a rim on the circumference, unlike the design of Idol Myself lenses. The colors are also extremely light and pastel, which gives off an ethereal vibe. Since I have warm skin tone, I usually prefer warm toned contact lenses, so I seldom wear shades like blue or grey. Usually I would only wear brown contact lenses, but surprisingly I really liked all of them, and I think it's because of the pastel shades, which makes them look softer and not as intense or unnatural. Moving on to the Idol Myself collection, this range has slightly darker shades, and I find that the rim creates a sharper look, which I really prefer. My favorite one from this range is definitely the hazel and the olive green, since I think they go best with my warm skin tone. The grey also looks very special because it has slight blue tints to it. As I've mentioned earlier, these lenses are monthly disposable lenses, but recently OLENS actually launched a new set of products with BTS, including 2 new daily disposable lenses in DNA Destiny Brown and Idol Myself Grey. In addition, they have also launched the Bring the Soul kit, which is a limited edition discounted set. So there are 2 sets available, one containing the daily disposable lenses and the other one containing the monthly disposable lenses. So apart from being 10% cheaper, these kits also comes with an additional random A3 size poster as well as 7 postcards. So again, let me remind you that these kits are limited edition, so I will leave the link to them in the description box below. But alternatively, OLENS is also having a giveaway for the BTS lenses, so I will also leave a link to the giveaway in the description box, so you will be able to find all the details you'll need over there. So I've come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to thank OLENS for working with me on this video and also for sending me all the contact lenses. And yeah, I will see you soon in my next video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching.